at 5649. Well, everybody, I hope all of you enjoyed this train video here. And if you did, can you give it a big thumbs up? Smash that thumbs up button. Can you do that for me? I would love that if you could do that for me. And if you're new and you came along this train video, can you hit that red subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel? And check out my other train videos here. I got plenty of them. So feel free to check them out. Also hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload a train video, you'll be notified about it. Also leave comments. I'd like to know where you're watching me from out there. Just curious. And also, I do have a question. If there's anybody out there that would like to do a collab with me, let me know in the comment box. I'm willing to collab with anybody out there that's watching this. But until my next train video, they call me Mr. Canada National. And this train video's over. Have a good one, everybody. And take care.